Joey, what's the one thing that you like to cook most in the world?
Tri-tip.
Some might say it's the only thing you like to cook.
That's like half true, okay? I cook other things.
Regardless, come with us as Joey prepares his famous, and yes, I'm calling it famous, tri-tip.
Let's go.
So I guess Joey's gonna be doing something with tri-tip. We love tri-tip, so curious to see what they're gonna go with.
Probably tri-tip.
My favorite cut of meat of all time is a tri-tip.
It's a bold statement.
100% stand by that.
Zero flinch.
What we're gonna do, I like to use a little duck fat in mine just to bind the dry rub. We'll get both sides here. So we're gonna season the tri-tip with one of my favorites, the Tailgate Foodie Caffe Tailgate. It's a coffee rub with ancho chili and honey.
How do you know what is the right amount of seasoning on any piece of meat?
I just
formula?
No, I just go off of like, yeah, that seems like the right amount. Tell me I'm wrong.
Hey, drop it in the comments. Tell Joey he's wrong.
Yeah, but either way, I'm cooking, not you.
Yeah.
Speaking of seasoning, let's season our drinks.
Yeah,
Baby
you
tahini,
do.
little for you, little for me.
That's some seasoning.
Cheers.
Yes.
Make sure the sides and the bottom get coated. You want it all sides covered.
Remember, it's always important to probe your meat.
The key to a good tri-tip is a reverse sear. So we're gonna start out,
You need to relax a little bit. Do you need a shot?
yeah, I'm too sober for this right now.
You are way too
All right,
sober for this.
let's-
Oh,
hold it, hold
Okay,
it.
hold that thought.
So the key to,
Yeah, and we're too sober for this.
Yeah, drink up.
the key to a good tri-tip is a reverse sear. So I've got our smoker set to 225. We're gonna throw our tri-tip in there until it reaches an internal temp of about 100 degrees. While we've got that in the smoker, we're gonna prep a chimichurri because I love chimichurri on a tri-tip. I like to use cilantro in chimichurri. Greg does not like cilantro.
No, because it tastes like soap.
Yeah, I can never put cilantro on anything, and I freaking love cilantro.
So now we're gonna do our parsley here also. Probably about a half a cup. I like a little red chili pepper in it too.
Now, what's the spice level in this pepper?
I always feel like these are not super spicy. They give just a little bit of a kick, but you're not.
Like, hey, how are ya? And then walk out. Like
Yeah.
one of those.
You know what else could use a little bit of spice?
Our drinks? Thank you.
To heat it up.
Now we need about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic.
I say you make it 4.
Yeah, let's make it 4. And we'll give this a little smack. Bad garlic. We'll give the garlic a nice slice and dice, a good chop. Some would say a mince. So now we'll throw in a little bit of the oregano, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Then you want to do about a half a cup of olive oil, and then we'll give this a little bit of red wine vinegar. So we'll give this a good little mix. And then we want to let this sit for a while, let those flavors sort of meld together. The meat has hit 100 degrees internal, so we're gonna pull that off the smoker. We're gonna set that aside. We're gonna crank this up to high, which is about 500 degrees, and we're gonna get this ready to reverse sear. Our smoker is up to temp, so we're gonna throw this on right now. We're aiming for 125 to 135 degrees, depending on how you like it. So we've hit 130 internal. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off. We let our tri-tip rest, and now it's time to slice it up. You want to slice tri-tip really thin. We've got the meat sliced. We want to add the chimichurri on top. I cannot wait to try this. I think it's going to be fantastic because tri-tip is always fantastic. Greg, try this.
All right, hold on, give me that.
Let me get a little bit of this too. You can't beat a tri-tip, I'm telling you.
No, but you can make a tri-tip better. I've got an idea. Here, take the
Okay.
camera. A good friend of ours once told me that I have an unhealthy obsession with sandwiches. Because of that, I'd like to introduce a new segment. Joey, are you ready?
I'm ready.
New segment is Will It Sandwich? Huh? Huh?
Sure.
Yeah? Come on, were you sure?
Of course, Greg is going to turn it into a freaking sandwich. Everything has to be a sandwich.
The key to every good sandwich is a spread or a sauce. First thing you need is you need your mayonnaise. I don't know. I want a lot. Then we're gonna take our horseradish. I'm gonna pour this in here and hope that I don't get too much in. I think that's probably good, right?
That's great.
Then we need a little bit of
I've never got it right, and I'm going to continue to not get it right.
Let's try this. Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce?
Worcestershire?
Worcestershire sauce?
Yeah, something
Like that? All right.
Great.
About 8 dashes. Was that 8?
No, but you have a heavy dash.
I have a heavy dash. Let's mix all of these ingredients together.
Hold on. This might help you.
Is that the world's tiniest whisk?
That's the world's tiniest whisk.
Thank you, Joey.
I love how he made fun of me when I bought it, and now it's the boy's favorite toy.
All right, so that's mixed together. Let's give it a little taste. That's good. Every sandwich needs a crunch, so for this sandwich, I think the crunch should be crispy onion ring, or onion strings, if you will. So we're gonna take our flour, season it up with my favorite seasoning, our Blackstone all-purpose seasoning, and then add in a beer. I don't have a bottle opener. You know what I do have?
Okay, show off.
Don't tell the boss, but this is one of the main reasons I wear my wedding ring.
Yeah, he's about to lose a fucking finger. Or dick.
All right, that's the consistency we want. So we'll take a couple of our onion strings. We're gonna dip them in our batter. Get a little mix. We're gonna come on over to our fryer.
It worked. That worked pretty well.
All right, so let's get them out of here. Before we cut our bread, we need to toast it. So I'm going to take a little bit of butter, coat all the sides of the sandwich, and then toast it on the Blackstone. There's a fine line between crispy bread and burnt bread. All right, let's grab our mayo, a healthy amount.
That's a lot, but I'm here for it.
Let's take our pepperoncinis. We're gonna line these up. Let's take our tri-tip and delicately place it on our bread. We have our beer batter onion rings, so we'll take those and we'll lay those across. Last thing is a little more of that chimney. I think I'm gonna be able to Subway this and close it. Because there's 2 of us, and I'm thinking of Joey, let's slice this in half so we each get a bite.
Hey, thanks. All right, show me that cross section. How does that look?
If there's anything the social media loves, it's a cross section. Okay, let's find out, will it sandwich? Come on.
It sandwiches.
It sandwiches.
It sandwiches.
It definitely sandwiched.
The sandwich was really great. You know what I could change? The fact that they wouldn't leave us any. I barely got any.
Yeah.
Hoggers. Maybe make us more next time.
All right, so first segment of Will It Sandwich was a success.
We've showed you how to make a great tri-tip.
And we've showed you how to make a great tri-tip sandwich.
So make sure you like, subscribe, all the things.
Everything.
Follow. Until next time.
Let's go.
Let's go.